Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EPE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price could stay up there above 32 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 32, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 32 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls are 100% in full ownership of the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, in the very near term, right there at 38 cents is going to be public enemy number one. But from more of the overarching perspective, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact that the party finally stopped today up there at 45 cents. So keep an eye on that. But before you start talking about doing battle with 45 and breaking new highs and all that fun stuff, in the near term, again, first got to focus on getting up above the 38-cent mark. So nice movement today, a lot of good solid volume, and now it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this movement going forward. We will see. Still 2 days left. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.